Hello, good morning. Myself is Sukesh Shah from Aerolex Cables from India. We are a specialized manufacturer of special application cables for various applications like submersible, welding, power, earthing, battery, solar and wind energy. We are exhibiting at Middle East Energy 2022 to further expand our operations in GCC countries and African countries. We are already exporting to more than 30 countries including GCC, Africa, Europe, USA and South America. And we have all the international certifications like UL, CE, German certificate for our quality cables. So we look forward to doing business with your company. Just visit our website www.aerolexcables.com.